Hi everyone, this video is on exercise 12, the question 5. So we have the curve with the equation y is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 10. And we want to find the gradients at points A and B, where the curve meets the line y is equal to 4. So the question is essentially saying that find the gradient of the points of intersection. Because when it says when the curve meets the line, it just means that the points of intersections. So we first need to find the coordinates of points of intersections of the curve and the line, and then we can find the gradients. Because once we have the coordinates, we just need to differentiate the function, and then we substitute the x coordinate into the derivative equation to find the gradient at those specific points. So in order to find the points of intersections of the equation of the curve and the line y is equal to 4, we solve the equation that x squared minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 4, because we want to know where do they have common x coordinates, because that gives us the points of intersection. So now we just have a quadratic, so x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, and we can factorize this to x minus 2 times x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then this means either x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So the two solutions are equal to 2x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3. So these are the two solutions. Now, these are the two x coordinates of the points of intersection. So we don't need to find the y coordinates, because the question is not about finding the points of intersection. It's about finding the gradient at the points of intersection. So having the x coordinates is enough. So there is no need to find the y coordinates. Now, in order to find the gradient at these 2 points, we first find the derivative, divided by dx, of the curve. So x squared differentiates to 2x, minus 5x differentiates to minus 5. And 10 differentiates to 0 because it's a constant. Okay, now that we have the derivative equation, then we can find the gradient. So when there are two cases. When x is equal to 2, so the gradient is equal to, divided by dx is equal to 2 times 2 minus 5, which is minus 1. So this is the gradient when the x coordinate is 2 at the point that has x coordinate 2. And at the other point that has coordinate 3, x coordinate 3, the gradient is equal to 2 times 3 minus 5. And that's equal to 1. Okay, so basically the gradients are 1 and minus 1 at the points of intersections. So when x is 3, the gradient is 1, and when x is 2, the gradient is minus 1. Alright, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.